Hello again. I'm here again for the public today video. So I have nothing much to say about this. So let's get on with it, shall we? Ooh, this is super interesting. So today's public today is a camel. Yeah. I'm having Christopher the Camel. Yeah. Christopher reminds me of a Camel, Habib, Habab. Camel is a camel, Habib, Habab is calling the cob from SML leaders. Yeah. Nice hooves. Yeah, I like his teeth. Okay, that's kind of messed up on the arms. I could do the voice of him as well. Take a listen. Hello there. I am Christopher the Camel. I am Camille, Habib Habab's lost brother. Yeah, I kinda looks the same, but different kind of voice. Yeah, that's me, Christopher the Camel. Yeah, his voice is funny. Yes, I am. So that is Christopher the Camel.